working into this industry from over a decade now. See, initially when I started my company, the goal and the vision behind that company was to basically become a true partner of entrepreneurs. Own product is not given to pride because we are more focused on the client's work.
I believe sooner you will get investor, that will be good visibility. Because nowadays people are just giving more value to the product if that is funded.
The time is like that, you have to fail fast and learn fast.
Hello everyone. So I met today with one of the incredible founder. His name is Ronak. So Ronak, if you can just quickly tell about yourself, who you are, what you did, and what is solving for the market right now.
So we are working into this industry from over a decade now.
Okay.
I have been part of more than 20-25 products.
Mm-hmm.
I am running my own consulting and technology firm called Taldar Tech Consultancy Private Limited.
Okay.
And recently we are working on a product for transporters.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, we have built a ERP solution for them. Okay. It's a compliance first ERP. So usually in India, like what happens is the average transporter loses around 5 to 10 lakhs on compliances, TDS, e-way bills. So we are trying to solve that using that. Right now we have validated the product. Okay. There are 4 transporters who are using the product.
Okay.
And for a while we will be refining with their feedbacks and all. And later on we will be launching it aggressively.
Okay. So in a way it's in beta version right now.
Yeah.
And you chosen some of the customers.
Yes.
And just trying to solve their problem specifically.
Yes.
Once it is, they're okay, you are fine, then you start that one. Okay. So if I ask you about you said that it is specifically solving compliance problem.
Yeah.
And you said you given one of the number like 5 to 10 lakhs.
Yes.
How did you come on this particular number? Hey, minimum 5 lakhs. Have you done any kind of survey, or it is just you just did some kind of research and you got number from there?
We did a survey. We talked to more than 100 transporters. Okay. And found out that average transporter who owns 20-25 trucks is making around more than 300 plus bookings in a month.
Okay.
And let's say if there is one loss of e-way bill penalty, that costs them minimum 10 to 20,000.
Okay.
Plus all this is happening via manual accounting. Like they are still using pen and paper, some are using Excels, and they are basically paying a lump sum TDS. They are not able to pay the exact TDS because there are no records on it. Because there are delay in the manual payments and everything. So we found out that yes, this is happening because their average turnover is more than 3 to 4 CR.
Okay. Okay. And then I think that the number would be definitely. Yes. It can also be more.
It can be more.
Yeah, 100% right. So, during this, specifically if I talk about the product,
yes.
During the development of the product, I'm sure you already expert, you delivered a lot of solutions through your, software development company. So, any challenge, did you face any challenge during the development of this product till this stage?
So, technically there was no issue, of course, but yes, taking the right feedback from the transporters, getting their time, we had to go and sit in their offices, okay. Understand the operations pain point, okay. And see what's going wrong, where there are delays, why they are not able to basically do things on time, why things are not accurate.
Yeah.
So we had to understand those dependencies and things. That took basically a pain because just taking time from them was very difficult because again it's a small scale business where a single guy is doing everything. So he's managing drivers, he's managing trucks, he's managing customers, deliveries, why they're not happening. So yeah, finding that time with them was a difficult part.
And then as part of the development piece, did you find good resources here? What is I really want to understand Udaipur specifically as part of the skill set.
Yeah.
Whenever you need a developer, because as I also run my software development company,
yeah.
So I know very well how to manage projects and what kind of challenges I faced ups and down when I used to hire people even in Delhi NCR, right? My office Is still in Gurgaon, right? So I know that is tough. So if I talk about Udaipur specifically, so what is your take? I mean, you find good people very quickly, or you need to nurture a lot here?
So ideally, when we started our consulting firm, and we were facing this issue, and we found out that the solution could be that we can hire some good interns with us, do them, like we can make them understand what DNA we want, and we can put that DNA into them. So that was like the way we were able to find good resources here. Of course, finding good talent is very difficult in 3 tier cities because people move to like metro cities, but so that's how like we kind of solve it. It's a slow process, of course, but it's a very effective process.
Okay. And if I ask you about your two, because you're running two different companies.
Yeah.
One is totally service based, where people need intense work, right? You have to give your proper time there.
Yeah.
You need to because that's a heavy operation part, which I believe.
Yeah.
And together you are also developing a product.
Yes.
And product development is again another level of struggle.
Correct.
Because I know that as well.
Yeah.
So how are you managing? Like, what is your kind of percentage time where you say that I would focus 80% on the product and 10% on the service? So what is your take on that? I mean,
See, initially, when I started my company, the goal and the vision behind that company was to basically become a true partner of entrepreneurs.
okay.
So my initial like clients, and even like my 70-80% of clients are startups and well-funded companies only who are building products.
Okay.
So I always call myself as a product company because we are people with product mindset.
Okay.
Because it's been 10-11 years we are working and building products only. So yes, we focus on that, but that's very true that we had to maintain a very good balance between there. Sometimes our own product is not given priority because we are more focused on the client's work.
Once clients is just crying, hey, I need this one.
And you have to do that.
100%. That's because I lived this this era, and I almost ran my company like 9 years, right? So I know this 100% how.
So till COVID, we were purely into products.
Okay.
But COVID taught us that we cannot put all your eggs in single basket.
Yeah.
And we realized that anyways, we have to do product, but for that we have to earn our bread and butter.
Yeah.
So we started doing services as well as a part of it. So at that time we were working like 70% of services and 30% of product. Today again we have shifted our focus.
That's a switch.
That's a switch, and again it's 30% services and 70% of product.
End of the day, you're just feeding your people
Yes.
from the services, and no one either you have investor money,
Yes.
or you just earn it, right?
Correct.
Yeah, so that's
We
cool.
haven't onboarded any investor on the product, although we have two proposals. But I think it's a bit early right now.
But why? I mean, that's a very important point. I believe sooner you will get investor, that will be good visibility. Because nowadays people are just giving more value to the product if that is funded.
I agree. But see, right now my product is into validation phase. We are doing refinements, and somewhere I feel like if we are able to like pull some months like this, we will be able to we can reach to a break-even point. And if we are that, I don't think so. We need those funds right away. Of course, at that level, and at that time, we can ask for a better valuation.
Okay. So maybe I think somewhere things are valuation is not matching.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I see. So any advice would you like to give to younger generation who is just simply starting their new startup, specifically the platform development?
See, if you're starting anything new, like you should focus on this thing, that whether this is something people will pay for it, and you should not be afraid of pivoting it. Like you can start with something, but market, people, audience will teach you something different. And you should be very quick in adapting new things and then releasing it. Because now I think the time is like that, you have to fail fast and learn fast. So we should go in that way.
Because end of the day, here we always think about success rate, right?
Yeah.
Even we talk with our kids, we say, hey, you have to pass first, right?
Correct.
We don't say that if you will fail, that's okay, but you will learn something.
Yes.
But yeah, I think that's a very good talk, I would say. And thank you so much, Ronak. Yeah.
Thank you.
It was great, pleasure meeting you.
Same here.
Yeah, thank you.